This video will show you the basic functions and setup for your digital readout display. Turn on the power and press the decimal key while the display is starting up to enter the settings menu. Press the down arrow key to switch between each setting. Leave both the X and Y resolution settings on 5, as the scales included are 5 micron. Press the down arrow key to reach the X and Y direction settings. Use the 0 and 1 key to choose if the axis counts in the positive or negative. Press the Enter key to confirm your selection. The 0 value in the EX direction sets the X-axis in the positive direction, where leftwards movement decreases the value and rightward movements increases the value. The 1 value in the X-axis will reverse the directions, making leftwards movement increase and rightward movements decrease the value. Press the down arrow to the Y direction setting. Like the X direction, the 0 value in the Y direction sets the Y-axis in the positive direction, and a 1 value will set it to the reverse direction. Press the down arrow key to reach the machine type mode. Use keys 1 through 3 to choose a machine type, then press Enter to confirm your chosen mode. Press the 0 key for multifunctional milling machine readout, 1 for universal milling machine readout, 2 for grinding machine readout, or the 3 key for lathe machine readout. Press the down arrow key to reach the compensation type. The 0 key will select linear error compensation, and the 1 key will select segmented error compensation. Press the Enter key to confirm the chosen mode. Once your setup is complete, press the decimal key to exit the settings menu. There are 3 different display modes to choose from. ALE is the absolute display mode, INC is the relative display mode, and ZER is the 0 or user mode. Pressing the up and down arrow keys will navigate between each mode. For the 0 or user mode, there are 200 different custom coordinates you can set to switch between. Pressing the 0 key and plugging in any number between 1 and 200 will navigate to that specific display coordinate. You can also navigate through all 200 coordinates with the up and down arrow keys. To permanently zero out the X and Y coordinates, press the X or Y key and then the CLS key. You can also press the X0 or Y0 keys to zero out the axis, while also being able to go back to the previous value by pressing again. Watch our other DRO videos to learn more about other key functions and operation.